What's up, guys? So I just got this. It is a flexible tripod from Amazon, and I'm actually pretty pumped to use it. No, this is not a sponsored video. This is a I'm bored and I wanted to show you what I got video. So I got it on Amazon. I guess maybe if you look up this, you'll be able to find it. 20 bucks, and I am going to use it to shoot time-lapse videos. So these are super flexible. I would show you how it is if I put it on here, but I am holding the camera. There's stuff for your GoPro. And I've looked up different things about like octopus tripods, I think they're called, that wrap and stuff, but most of them are like $5-10 bucks, and all the reviews say that they break after a while. So this seems very durable. I like how this can go at some crazy angles to be able to get good shots when I do time-lapse videos for what I'm painting. And I also like that if I want, I can wrap this around something. So this bends, but it doesn't feel like it's going to break then afterwards. So you guys can check it out if you want. I have just got it, so I have no idea how it will work. But right now, just from testing it out a bit, it seems pretty legit. This locks in also. So yeah, that's my review on it. This comes with it for your GoPro, so you guys should be set. And yeah, thanks for watching. Have a good day.